Hey! Suppose if you don't have Xender installed in your phone and you want to send your files from one phone to another phone, what would you like to do? Okay, don't worry, I have a solution for that. Even though you're not having Xender installed in your phone, you can still transfer your files from one phone to another phone. How? Let's see in the video. In this video, you will get to know about one amazing trick of Xender which you have never seen before. So just see the video and you will get it. Open Xender, click on connect to PC and create a hotspot. In another phone, write the code that appears in the previous phone in URL bar, which you can see here in the display. It will ask permission from previous phone. Just click on accept and that's it. Now you will be able to see all the contents from previous phone in your phone, and you can download it in your phone from that. For downloading, just select any one file and click on down arrow and it will download that file in your phone. So that's it for today. I hope you might have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. And finally, don't forget to share and like this video. Thank you.